Hello guys, welcome back to the chainsaw zone. This chainsaw cut thought steel. This tree doesn't care. He's 6 feet tall. Tree is 6 feet wide. One notch cut 30 minutes. Old growth Douglas fire. 200-year old. See these red pants, not fashion. Chainsaw chips. Inside is Kevlar. Chain hit its end instantly jumps. Save 1000 leagues every year. People think logger are strong. Real skill is patience. Measure 3 times, cut once. Wrong angle and this thing crushes you. Come and join if you would walk away from this tree. Follow for real logger work. Like, comment, share and subscribe for more videos.